Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I am loving this glutathione supplement.
This one's by Prunucis, and it's really great. I don't have to worry about swallowing any pills. It's super easy to take. All you have to do is you put around 15 drops twice a day under your tongue, and you let it sit there for about 60 seconds, and it helps to absorb into your body really fast. I'm just going to show you how thick the actual glutathione is, and you can see as I'm dropping it into water. I don't take it with water, but you can just see how thick it is as I drop it into the water there. It has a very subtle taste, but it doesn't taste bad at all. It's so easy to take. I have noticed that I've had so much more energy when I take this supplement. I feel really good. This lasts me for at least a month, and storing it in the fridge keeps it nice and fresh.
So if you're looking for a glutathione supplement, I would definitely try this one out. I think it's really easy to take, and that's my point of view.